Hi everybody, let's do a quick walkthrough of the group change feature for Rposio Cloud. First, let's go over to our items and check out something we might want to do a group change on. I can search for the items, or I can check out one of my preset filters. Here's Sunkissed cans. I can see they're all set to $1.05 current price right now. Let's update that. So I'm going to go to the group change button. Now I'm going to filter out the products. You can filter however you want. Again, I'm going to use my preset filter. Grabbed all those cans, hit confirm. Now I'm going to choose which business units I want to change the price on. Now from here, I can change department, brand, size, tax, selling rules, supplier, and I can change pricing in a myriad ways. I can just add to the price, change the cost. I'm just going to add 10 cents to the price of all those items. So there we go, 10 cents. Now you can see I'm updating 20 records. If I go up to my notification bell, it's sitting right up there, it'll tell me when it's done. And after it's complete, you can go back, check out your items, and see that they've updated. That easy. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. For more information, visit us at www.insightrs.com or email support@insightrs.com.